This is not how you balance a fan. I tried stuffing pieces of paper in there, then taped it together. Tried stuffing a piece of paper up here. Another one down there. And you balance the fan out on the blades. You figure out which one's out of balance and you balance it there, not up here. So we're going to change this vanity, and as you can see, there's no box. They just sheetrocked the metal plate onto the wall and didn't put the box. So now I have to cut a hole and put the box in. And this is why you do not paint receptacles. This one has burnt, and it has burnt the paint. On this meter box, kind of got a loose connection right here. And the only way to tighten that is from underneath. That's where the screw is. Tightens from the aluminum into here. And it's just as easy to go ahead and change the whole box. It is try to find one of those. But even if you wanted to tighten one of those, you had to unhook the wires from it. So we just went ahead and changed the whole box. So here's one we found today. You can see it's all rusted in the utility neutral. And the wires up on top have melted in the past at some point. So I don't know how much current has been on this thing. Now this was above the rain cap, which is above the roof. You can see the hot and neutral. There you go, hot and neutral, almost touching. Don't know how it didn't short out and melt the wires. And if I turn this over, you can see the wires there also showing through the insulation. Don't know how that didn't burn a house down, or the wires going back to the transformer. Anyway, and of course the wires coming out of the bottom going into the panel where cloth